grass grows, where the wildfires fertilize with ashes of sparrows, peppered moths and butterflies, ghosts of trees and termites bloom in the beanstalk. When you get lightheaded when standing too fast, as if from shaking out the weight of phospheres and past salt deposits on warm little rivers that burst from our words. God knows crying ain't gonna change a thing. She said take care, but I take more than I bring. She said it just feels inhumane to lose this much, 'cause when you leave you know you take more than your love. I guess that I must feel the same to pull and push, and I know it just feels inhumane to lose this much. Our veins got tangled under plastic stars, glowed in the dark, hanging over queen-sized purple waves of ancient chemicals, just whisper. Did you ever build with those endangered bones? The ground looks soft enough to bury this now. Oh, please, oh no. And my sponsor said do nothing, nothing works. And my doctor said don't do that if it hurts. She said it just feels inhumane to lose this much, and when you leave you know you take more than your love. I guess that I must feel the same to pull and push, and I know it just feels inhumane to lose this much. Keep coming back, it works if you work it, it won't if you don't. You work it, you're worth it, one day at a time. Tomorrow's too late, eh?